I'm Raj Radhakrishnan, CMP lead for the Hartford account, and I'm going to talk about the initiative, the digital transformation initiative that CMP team has been involved in for the client. So as part of this program, what we have done is we have addressed the key problem statement for the Hartford. The key problem statement for the Hartford is all customer communication that the Hartford sends, anything, a policy package, a renewal package, a general correspondence, a client correspondence. So everything goes out in paper. So when Cognizant CMP team was engaged, Hartford was planning to implement a digital transformation program without impacting their legacy applications, which actually generates the customer communication, but a solution which also suppresses the paper and enables the digital notification. So Cognizant CMP team has done an implementation, whatever Hartford has thought of in support of the paper suppression initiative. So this one has been implemented using EMC suite of products, EMC XCP for orchestration and enabling the multi-channel distribution, and Expression for modern customer communication correspondences for the generation of customer communications in the modern world. So as part of this program, we implemented a framework which is more of a modularized one, which can be accessed by any legacy applications without any changes to them. At the same time, our Hartford can suppress paper and deliver correspondences through email. So this has been achieved in just 10 months time frame, which is well ahead of 1 month schedule, and this has been rolled out in 2013, and whatever the programs that is following is leveraging the functionality that has been implemented by this program. Another key thing which we are continuously doing is the digital enablement. As part of the digital enablement, paper suppression initiative is only suppressing the paper. For digital enablement, we are adding other modes of communication like SMS or fax and email with attachments, which actually sends the correspondences to the customer through email itself. Instead of just sending a notification, we are also sending the actual document in a digital mode. So Hartford utilized this framework for their large claims replacement program, where they had 6,000 legacy documents of customer correspondences, which has been created by the developers. So Hartford wanted to leverage our expertise on this space, and Cognizant CMP has brought in an automation tool which can convert the legacy documents into expression templates. So this automation has reduced 30% of the overall effort, and at the same time we also implemented a factory model which brought in the duplicates, content standardization, content duplicates, removed the content duplicates and other stuff to enable the communication in a better way, and at the same time it also addresses the other two key features like business empowerment. As part of the new platform, we gave more controls to business for them to create the correspondences at their choice, and also they can make a package out of it rather than choosing an individual. They can make a package for a particular client by pulling documents from various sources, generate one package that can be delivered through any channel, by print or by email or by fax or by any channel. So the operational effectiveness, we have implemented the program which gave the maximized productivity for business, but also from operation point of view, the process has been simplified. Whereas in the legacy world, Hartford was managing 6,000 legacy documents, whereas in the current world, after we transformed, we had only 2,000. In that 2,000 documents, we have put together a process where any simple changes can be easily made by the business rather than depending on an IT to make a change. So this is just a snapshot of what we have done. The outcome of this process is Hartford has already suppressed 1 million paper documents which resulted in a revenue of close to $1 million within a 1 year time frame of an investment on a framework that we have implemented. And in the next 4 or 5 years, the projected revenue out of this is another 6 to 7 million for the programs that has been lined up. So there are more and more things to talk about, but I'm good with this. Thank you.